This is our friend Ricky's truck. It's been in his family since it was new. It was out of the family with one of their employees for a short period of time, and then it came back. He wants to go through it and make it a really nice truck he can use and drive into town, go to car shows with, and so forth. And so we're going through, we're putting an LS motor swap in it. We're just wrapping up the front suspension. We put bigger sway bars on it, put new control arms on it, put big 6-piston Woolwood brakes on it to really upgrade the brakes on it. We've painted the chassis and the engine bay to this point. We'll finish cleaning up and repainting the bottom of the truck.
The bearings are so wore out that the pinion's actually rocking and then contacting the carrier. That's why it's got that pattern on there. So we need to change all the bearings in it, rebuild it.
All this front fascia is coming off. We're going to put on a custom front fascia and hood to give it a racy look, and then of course we're going to paint the entire car. We're going to redo the interior all in leather and upgrade it a little bit to make that nice, so that he's got a real nice driver. These you can see the difference here between the old pistons. There's a 2-piston caliper that was on the vehicle, and now we've got 6 pistons. So the braking is going to be dramatically improved on it. So now that it's got a lot more power, it's also going to be able to stop a lot quicker. Rebuilt the LS motor in it, recammed it, headers, good heads, refreshed the air conditioning system in it. We went all through the steering, replaced the steering rack so that the steering's all brand new, and it should be a really nice truck.